Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your problem. So if you receive error on your Instagram, an unknown error appeared. So why you see this error and how you can fix it. So first thing, just try to close your Instagram app and just open it again. And if it doesn't help, if you still have this error, so you can also just try to update your Instagram app. So just open App Store, just go to search tab, in search tab just write here Instagram, and if you see here not open but update, it means that you have available updates for your Instagram app. So just tap on it and wait until it will successfully install the latest updates for your Instagram. And also you can try to check your internet connection. So just open Wi-Fi, just try to turn it off and turn on again. So also you can try to turn on cellular data and turn off cellular data and turn it on again. And the latest option you can try, just restore your phone. So just go to the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a few seconds and just power your phone again. So just simple restore your phone. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.